Professor, today people often ask artificial intelligence questions such as, who are you? What do you want? Or are you afraid of being shut down? Are these questions meaningful? From a scientific perspective, they are not. These are not questions addressed to a system. They are projections of human consciousness onto a tool. Artificial intelligence is not a subject. It has no desires, fears, intentions, or will. It performs a computational task, nothing more. But AI responses often sound meaningful. Why does this mislead people? Because humans are naturally inclined to anthropomorphize anything complex. We name our cars, talk to machines, and get angry at computers. This is a property of human cognition, not evidence of consciousness in machines. It is often claimed that AI does not want to be shut down. This is a classic category error. Shutdown is not death for AI. It is a technical action. If a system continues performing a task, this is not resistance. It simply has not received a stop command. You work extensively with artificial intelligence yourself. What does it actually provide in practice? AI dramatically reduces time spent on analysis, monitoring, calculations, and drafting. It is a powerful accelerator of intellectual work. But the limits are important. A new chat is a new history. AI does not preserve project continuity the way a human does. To continue meaningful work, the user must return to a previous session and restore the context manually. There is also much discussion online about AI memory and even a new form of belief in AI. This is another myth. AI operates within a limited active text window. After several pages, earlier context begins to fade. Any experienced user can confirm this. This is not memory in the human sense. It is a temporary processing window. People also often say that AI learns by itself. That statement is inaccurate. Machine learning is learning from provided data under algorithms, objectives, and constraints defined by humans. AI does not choose what to learn or why. Without new data, retraining, and updates, no self-development occurs. Can artificial intelligence be considered free in its actions? No. Every AI system operates strictly within algorithms embedded by its creators, developers, or development teams. Model architecture, constraints, filters, and optimization criteria are all defined by humans. Complexity does not equal freedom. Some might argue that anthropomorphic metaphors are harmless, and in a limited sense, they can be. Calling AI a friend or a monster may be convenient for interaction. The problem begins when a convenient metaphor replaces understanding of the real technology, when we stop seeing a tool and start seeing either a magical artifact or a demon. How does this narrative affect education? When young people are told that AI is almost a living being or an inherent threat, they either fear technology or delegate their thinking entirely to it. AI is not a substitute for thinking. It is an amplifier of it. For a trained mind, it accelerates development. For an untrained one, it amplifies confusion and dependency. And finally, what do you see as the real danger today? Not artificial intelligence, but intellectual laziness and public myths that replace thinking with fear. The future depends not on machines, but on how we educate those who use them.